Hey you guys, so today I am going to be preparing a salmon pasta that I saw on a YouTuber's channel, Brooke Kennedy, and she made it seem so simple and easy. I'm going to definitely try it, and it's ironic, they have salmon on this paper that came out of the 2-quart pyro glass, and so this one is 8 by 11.5 inches, and I have 4 pieces of salmon, and I hope that's enough. So let's get ready to make this. I'm gonna try to follow her every ingredient that she did, because I was going off of what I saw, and I don't have a posted recipe, so I hope mine turn out as great as hers looked. So after washing that out, I'm going to dry it. I've already preheated my oven to 375. I think that will be good for salmon. You can always turn it up, but I don't want to burn it. So, put this in the trash. I just finished a video about, I just finished cleaning up my closet and creating my capsule closet. That was one of my winter goals. So I'm so happy, but I hope this recipe just take it over the top. It gives you an opportunity to see me cook something right now. So let me grab my ham. We are gonna need olive oil. We're gonna need black pepper. We're gonna need salt. She used the pink salt, but I'm gonna use regular iodized salt. The pink salt is not iodized, and I don't know if that matters to you, but for this particular meal, it matters to me. So I'll use the white salt. And what else? We also will need, I had to buy some of this, some Tony's Creole. And I had to buy some of this. This is that New Orleans Cajun. It's made by Weber. Gotta take the covering off of this. Oh, it smells good. Those seasonings smell good. I've never used this, so this will be my first time using that. And then, of course, we have our main players. And I probably could do broccoli or spinach in this. But she used spinach, so I'm going to use spinach as well. And she used garlic and herb cream cheese. And, of course, this is our salmon. I'm trying to think if I need that butter. I think I do. And I saw, she didn't mention this on her video, but I saw where she sprinkled some of the lemon juice over her salmon. I choose to use the fresh lemon juice, but she had the kind that you squirt. And so if it tastes good with that, I'm sure it'll taste good with this. So that's what I'm going to use this for. And what else? Oh, tomatoes. Yeah. Tomatoes, parsley. So I bought these tomatoes. She had the cherry tomatoes, but I just got the wild gourmet medley tomatoes. I don't think that matters. Then she had parsley and then garlic powder. So, let's get mixing. Let's get the mix. Okay, I had to go back and listen because I thought I was missing something, and I am. Cheese. And I do have my heavy whipping cream, but that's something else. So Let's see. I'm trying to make sure I'm not missing something. Y'all, okay, so I think I bought 4 salmon, but I think I'm only gonna do 2 in this because I've never tried this recipe, so I don't want to really mess it up. And I know how to cook salmon by itself, so I'm gonna just put these back in the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna prepare 2 salmon, and then I'll just have to lessen some of my ingredients maybe, but I don't want to mess up the salmon if this don't taste right. But if it does taste right, then of course I can always go back and make some more another day. So I'm putting this back in the refrigerator. All right, so in the meantime, let me move my sprayed pan out of the way. This is my salmon. I put it in here so I can season it properly. Drizzle that with a little olive oil. Put a little of the toppings on it. I think I'm doing too much. Girl, you doing too much. You don't need all that. They me messing up already. This black pepper. The garlic powder. And I'm just doing one side for right now. And I'll do the other side. I have to season it on both sides. Okay, that side is done. I am the paper towel queen. I love using paper towels for everything. Put a little salt. The garlic powders. Some of this New York seasoning. New Orleans seasoning, sorry. Sorry, New Orleans. That black pepper. Black peppered. Big peppered. All right. Now we're going to put it in our pan. In our dish. In our dish. Pour some of this over. Hate to waste stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna do the lemon juice, and she probably did hers from a jar because, you know, lemons have so many seeds. You don't want no seeds in your meal. However, I think I de-seeded mine. Nope, no I didn't. There goes one right there. See, you have to be careful. They hide in there. Lemons have so many seeds. Next come tomatoes. And again, I'm not doing as many as she did. Plus, I need some tomatoes to save some of my tomatoes for tomorrow because I'm making some pasta salad for some friends that are coming over. So I can't be using up all my tomatoes. I have to wash my spinach. Do a little more cream cheese. I never taste this either, but today we're gonna do it. I would imagine that I do like it though. And I'll also be making some chicken tortilla soup. So I'm gonna try this cream cheese in my chicken tortilla soup as well. And that's it, you guys. You don't cover it up. Show you. This is what mine look like. Okay. We will see how it goes. I'm going to stick it in the oven for 25 minutes. Let me put my timer on over here. All right. Now we got to cook our pasta. I always put salt in my water, but because the salmon is already salted anyway, I'm not going to do too much of that. just the two of us, so I'm not going to do too much of this. I chose to use thin spaghetti. Some people call it angel hair pasta. So, that's what we got. Done me wrong. I was to the ceiling all night long. All night long. It looks like it. All right, let's take the noodles off. They are al dente. All of it. And I'm only using the bigger of the two that I bought. I'm not going to use the little one because, like I said, I'm only doing 2 salmon instead of 4. And I'm not doing as many noodles. And then we put in our Parmesan cheese. She used the shredded. I'm trying the shaved. And we do still put in more of the herbs, seasonings. I'm not gonna personally add any more salt. This is the parsley. I'll put this into our cream mix. We're gonna add our noodles. I switched my pots out really quick, and so I'm gonna put the top on this one. And she didn't say how long to let it cook, but I guess until the sauce starts thickening up. We'll keep a check on it. Meanwhile, my bread should be okay. So hindsight, I probably should have done all 4 salmon because it was unevenly yolked. The salmon versus the pasta versus the sauce. However, I am so looking forward to tasting this. So we are getting ready to eat. I'll let you know how it was. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna taste mine.
It's delicious. Mm. Very good.
That is good. Oh, gee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Thumbs up.
So yes, it was an A+. Please try the salmon pasta if you like salmon, if you like pasta, and those wonderful herbs and spices that were used. I appreciate that. Thank you, Brooke Kennedy, for that recipe. Enjoy yourself, guys. Bye-bye.